Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the pTron Tangent Evo Wireless Sports Neckband. So let's look at the box and see if we have any information right here. At the back you can see we have some specifications. It first tells us that the transmission distance or the Bluetooth range is 10 meters, which translates to about 33 feet. It has a 10 mm driver. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz or 20 kilohertz. It has an impedance of 32 ohms and it has a battery capacity of 160 mAh. The play time is 8 hours, the talk time also is 8 hours and the standby time is 58 hours. You can also charge up these earphones in just 3 hours. So now let's open up the box and see what we get in here. So the first thing you see here are the earphones themselves, and at the back you have a little pouch with the accessories. Let's open this up. The first thing you see in here is an instruction manual. Then you have a little pTron card which tells you to leave a review. You also have a charging cable, which is a micro USB charging cable. And lastly, you also get 2 extra pairs of silicone tips. So these are the large and the small silicone tips, while the medium ones are fitted on the earphones themselves. So that's about it for what you get inside the box. Now let's take a look at the earphones themselves. So as you can see, these are a wireless neckband style earphones with the 2 modules right here. The material here is plastic and it's pretty flexible and bendable, and you don't have to worry about it breaking because it feels like it's made out of oak. It has quite a robust quality at the top here. On the bottom here you can see the module. You have the plus button, the minus button, as well as the middle multifunction button. At the side here you see a little flap which basically opens up to the micro USB port. This is where you charge your device from. And on this side you actually have nothing on the module, you just have the pTron logo, and that's about it. You also have these adjusters, the cable adjusters, which let you control the amount of wiring that's dangling. And that's about it for the top here. Now you see the wires of the earphones. They are pretty flimsy and are very delicate, and we're scared that if you roll around a lot with these earphones on your bed, or if you handle them not too carefully, they might snap off. So you need to be careful while handling these earphones. The top here, the earbuds themselves are reinforced with some steel here, so they feel pretty solid. They have magnetic endings, so basically they just attach to each other right like this when you're not using them. And they also have these little silicone fins which should help in fit and comfort. So that's about it for the unboxing of the pTron Tangent Evo wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.